of the government. Mbeki said the whites fought for the land and said there was a war between the black people and the white people, and the whites won the war. They did not steal the land, they conquered it. Asked if the system of conquering was unfair because the whites had more resources, Mbeki simply said the black people fought and lost, and said no, they fought against it. They were defeated, and when you are defeated, you have to accept the defeat. Mbeki has been very critical of the governing ANC and President Ramaphosa. Last year, he said South Africa was likely to see more corruption as ANC comes closer to losing power. He said South Africa is not better off under the presidency of Ramaphosa, and said no, we are not better off. For the last 10 years, the per capita income of South Africans has been declining, which means we have been getting poorer, and we are still getting poorer today, so we are not better off. Mbeki alleged that public officials are at the heart of corruption, and said the painful part is the closer the ANC gets to losing power, the more corruption we are going to see. They have to take out from this feeding through and put it in their pockets because they think that after the elections they will no longer be in power. So I'm afraid we have a lot more pain coming from corruption in the coming months. Mbeki previously said Ramaphosa is not a leader but a party agent. He said Ramaphosa has one of the best public relations machines he could think of, even better than Bell Pottinger, but failed as South Africa's president, and said the man has totally failed as a president. He can't decide on anything, but many people believe he can save South Africa. Cyril Ramaphosa is not a leader really. He was never a leader. He is an apparatchik or an agent of the party, but he presents himself as a leader. He's not a leader. If you put him next to Nelson Mandela, Thabo Mbeki, and even Jacob Zuma. Mbeki said Ramaphosa fails as a leader because he does not believe in anything, and that he goes with the flow. He wakes up in the morning and says, which way is the wind blowing, and I'm gonna go that way. Moiletsi also said the ANC as a collective should be blamed for the country's failures. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.